Okay, now that you've imported both your lead capture page and your actual bridge page into the Leads League members area, guys, the next thing we're going to talk about is how to connect that lead capture page to the actual thank you page, the page that you're on right now. And then we're going to edit those pages out. So it's a very simple procedure for actually connecting this lead capture page to this bridge page, the thank you page. So what you want to do is go back inside your Leads League members area, and you want to go back to your actual page manager. Come down to the page that you named. You know what you named them, right? Come down to your actual capture page, right? Mine was capture page test, remember? Come to that page, guys, and making sure that you have your bridge page already pulled up in your browser, because you're going to take the link for that bridge page. And when you go to launch the editor inside of the capture page, this is where you're going to take the link to the actual bridge page and paste it so that that capture page does in fact redirect to the actual thank you page. And there is the actual lead capture page. Come to the left over here where it says list, click list, and you'll get a field that looks like this. Now follow me, guys. You won't have a list yet. We'll talk more about that in some following videos. But your list ID is one of the things you're connecting this lead capture page to. But right now we're talking about that URL, right? The URL to your actual bridge page, which I'm going to pull up. And we're going to take this, and this is what we're going to use inside of that field, because we're going to paste it. That's what we want to redirect to, right? So I'm going to take that out and I'm going to paste. Okay, that's the exact same URL. I just took it out and repasted it. That's the URL to your bridge page. And come over here to the right once you've done that and hit save. The system will let you know it's been saved. Hit OK. I like to do it twice. Save. And if you want to test it, just go inside, pull your link out, highlight it, pull it out, and then take it and put it in your browser to make sure it is in fact the right one. I'm going to paste it. And it should be my actual thank you page. And that's as simple as that when it comes to connecting both your lead capture page to your thank you page inside of your members area, right? If you guys have done that, it's a very simple process, as you can see. The next thing you're going to want to do, guys, is start editing these pages out. And in the last segment of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it.